Good morning. As we're getting towards the end of June, it's time to harvest the garlic. So let me show you what we do. So today we're going to harvest our garlic. And there's two types of garlic. There's hard neck and soft neck. And normally in the UK, many people prefer the soft necks. And these normally planted in the autumn for a head start for spring, and then normally harvested towards the end of June. So if harvested too early, the bulb may not be swelling up enough. If harvested too late, then the cloves may not break apart. So pull up a test bulb and check to see that the bulb is fully formed, and if so, you can harvest the rest. So all we need is a fork. We just place it underneath and give it a helping hand. These have been in for a long time and they need a bit of encouragement. So here we go. So that looks pretty good. There's cloves formed. And I think the way to go. One way to tell if your garlic is ready, if the leaves start turning yellow or brown, and that's a sure giveaway. It's telling us it's done. So let's harvest the rest of these. This type we got here is pink Germador. The ones on the side are white ones. This came from the Isle of Wight, which is very local to me. It's just across the water, so not far away at all. So this is this year's harvest of garlic, and the smell is amazing. So let's go and dry these off. So we're very pleased with these, looking very good. Also in December, if we look back previous videos, we sowed some garlic in the containers, and I'll add a link of how to do it in containers. And this is one of the containers that we grow it in, and they're looking good. And we did this one too. So let's learn about where we're going to store these. So once we've harvested our garlic, we brush off all the soil from around the roots and around the bulb. Leaving all the roots on. And then we'll lay them out to dry. So once the bulbs are cleaned, they can be laid out into the sun to dry. An alternative way to store your garlic is using a metal grid. And this is one that comes from a portable greenhouse. And you can take your garlic bulbs and you can thread them down into the grid and grow them upside down. These can be stored in a shed or in a basement. Leaving all the leaves on. There we go. So once your garlic is dried, you can store them in a Hessian bag, or even if you're brave, you can plait them into plats. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe if not subscribed. Ring the bell. Get notifications when I post some more. And please leave a comment. I love reading the comments and I reply to everybody. So you harvesting your garlic yet? Let me know. And let me know what type of garlics you're growing. So thank you very much. Cheers for now. Bye bye.